Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I will be sharing another authentic Pathare Prabhu Sweet dish with you. Yes, our Ganpati Bappa is very fond of modaks and I have shared so many modak recipes with you. So today's recipe is a little different. The filling is the same, but the outer coating is prepared from banana. That is a special banana called Rajeli Keli. So let's get to the recipe first. Here are the ingredients required to prepare Keravlya. I will be using 2 to 3 of these Rajeli Keli, 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 3/4 cup sugar, some cashew nuts and raisins. You can add pista, badam to your choice, and some cardamom. I will now pressure cook these Rajeli Keli. I have taken 2 of these and there is no water in this, and of course in my pressure cooker I have kept some water, and now this will go. Now I will pressure cook this. Fine. I pressure cook this Rajeli Keli. See, here I have cooked the filling. It's coconut and sugar. Fine. I've just peeled the banana, and now when they are hot, I'll try and mash them. I've just added a pinch of salt. Similar manner I will prepare all the other. See. Make a katori. Filling. Yeah. Now start closing it. They are very easy to make, unlike a modak. Yeah. See. Okay, I could get some 7 pieces of this Keravlya and 1 small modak for my Ganpati Bappa. So let's fry, deep frying, okay, here. Rajeli Keli are not as sweet as a regular green banana, and so they make a very perfect coating or covering. I'll fry the modak now. You have to fry them till they get that golden color. It's beautiful. Just see this. Okay, I fried some of these Keravlya, and the other 3 I will keep for later use. Well friends, wasn't that a very simple recipe to follow? And it's so tasty and yummy. And in my house, I serve it with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and that Keravlya, which is yummy. So do try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share this recipe with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.